welcome to TradeSpoon. My name is Rappel. I'm CEO and founder of TradeSpoon, and today we're going to have our weekly discussion of the premium service, mechanics of the pick, where I trade option spreads. You can also trade option and stock. This is model runs on the weekend, provides a trade idea. You can execute it via stock, single option, or a spread. I'm personally doing spread. If you're new to trading stock or options, I encourage you to visit optionsclearing.com, the link on your screen, to understand the risk and suitability associated with trading stock and options. And you can always pause the screen to view the remaining of the disclosures. All right, these are some of the tools I'm using to come up with a trade idea. Again, model runs on the weekend. You can see Spider's model still shows basically neutral trend, that we can continue to make new highs. 650, maybe even as high as 660, depending on unemployment data this week, right? The main event for this week is unemployment data on Friday. If it's better than expected, we could be at 650, 660. If it's worse than expected, then we could retest last week low around 635. Morgan Stanley, some of the banks were signals in the past week. Over the weekend, Morgan Stanley again is a signal. Looking at the chart of Morgan Stanley, you can see continues to break higher, right, and grind higher. XLF, similar price pattern, new highs. So by financial industrials, kind of the same theme that we've seen in the past, continues to, I think, to work well. 10-year yield is sitting at the 4.2 level. I would keep an eye on the breakdown below that level, maybe after the unemployment data. Potentially. VIX is at 16. You can see that the technology is underperforming, right? QQQ, we had a sharp pullback in high beta stocks along with semiconductors, right? After the Marvell earnings and NVIDIA earnings. Again, we're retesting 50-day moving average on SMH. So that's something I would keep an eye next week. Small caps started to outperform, right? So interest sensitive sectors started to outperform. So it could be just a temporary rotation. We'll see. Silver breaking out. Gold miners are breaking out. So I would maybe raise cash and trim some of your long positions. And you can see Bitcoin is also pretty bearish price pattern below 50-day moving average, below this breakout level. And again, volatility is going to come back. So this is something to keep in mind. If you want further discussion, let's meet on Friday at 9:30 a.m. Central. We'll have the unemployment data. We'll see if Bitcoin and QQQ can follow the equal weighted S&P, right, value stocks, or if the value stocks will follow the Bitcoin and technology. We'll see how long this divergence will last. So Friday, 9:30 a.m., click on the register now, and I hope to see you there. Thank you very much, and have a great day.